Menteri Rangba Khajna konrot ke sangma ne Sngewnguh ulah pentep bak Sorkar India langba Menteri Rangba du keri kala pelat hadu Palat Hajar Klur ke Khajna ke Sorkar Meghalaya. Menteri Rangba upen pau ya kajing Sngewnguh ke Sorkar India halor kani kajing pelat ya katai ke song pisa.
In fact, thank the government of India, especially our Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Finance Minister for releasing the taxes which were released yesterday. And just to clarify to everybody that why this is very significant is the government has released 2 installments of the devolution of the taxes which was meant for the different states. So every month we normally get 1 installment, but Government of India in one way has given a bonus to every state by releasing 2 installments. So this will not be taken away from the future installments, but these are basically a bonus, and a double benefit has been given. And this is a great gesture by the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Finance Minister, and a great way to start the new government. And once again, I would like to thank the Government of India for releasing over 1,000 crores in terms of the devolution of taxes, which will definitely help the state in the many developmental as well as the social programs that we have. Thank you very much.